Alright guys, so the biggest, most anticipated sneaker to drop in 2019 is gonna happen in about 15 minutes. I'm gonna take an L most likely, but I thought I would share the whole experience with you guys to start off the vlog to see if I get a W. I got the Travis Scott sweatshirt on, and then I got my Travis Scott Air Force Ones on, so I'm ready for this drop. Is it going to be the best sneaker for 2019? Like, is this the best sneaker for 2019? Probably not, but it's definitely going to be top 5 or top 3 sneaker of 2019 without a doubt. Now there's also going to be some like merch dropping too as well with Jordan brand. I'm definitely interested in picking up a few pieces. I was interested in some of the t-shirts because they're like 45 to 50 bucks a tee. That's not too bad. However, I have a package later. We're gonna go to the post office and I have a better t-shirt coming in. All right, we got about 1 minute and then it's already crashing. I'm already having issues with the app already. This isn't good. Again, wish me luck. All right, so I just submitted my order for the pants. Apparently that was available. That was available first. Come on! It's not loading, it's not loading. This isn't good. Face ID, processing payment, processing. Come on, just go through. Yeah, payment not completed. Oh, come on. It's over, it's an L. Damn it. Sorry, we encountered an error, try again. Hey, what are you doing over there, Bane? I think he's chewing my off-white. Yeah, he's chewing them. He's chewing my shoes. Dude with a phone, you stand no chance, bro. And then people ask me what's their best chance? Pray. All right, so the final results, automatic L. I didn't even get it to processing payment, so the shoe isn't worth $1,000. I'm sorry. No Jordan 1, unless it's the off-white Chicago's, are worth $1,000. That's insane. All right, so I just went to the post office, had to pick up this package real quick before we head over to the sneaker store. So I ended up picking up a couple t-shirts from Mariano Morewood. I don't know if you guys are familiar with him. He's sort of like an Instagram influencer, designer. Dope t-shirts. This isn't sponsored. This isn't anything insane. So Mariano Morewood, go check him out on Instagram. We'll take a look at some of these t-shirts because these are interesting. Now, this is a Kanye West t-shirt. This one, it looked so cool. I posted these on my stories too, and a lot of people were interested in them. So this is the Kanye West t-shirt, and then it says, I fantasize about. This thing is sick, really dope t-shirt. Pretty cool, right? The quality is pretty good, actually. The quality's nice. Mariano Morewood on the tag. Really nice, cool. It's Travis Day. Now, this is a Travis Scott t-shirt. Now, this is better than the merch that he dropped. Pretty sick, Travis Scott. Right on the front. And then on the back, the sky keep on falling. Pretty dope, right? What shoes should I go with today? What should I go with? I think I am gonna go with the Fogs. So the Fog Air Raids, I did a review on these. If you haven't checked that video out, go see that now. So let's throw these on feet. All right, so I had to make a quick change. It is like 80 degrees outside, which is about damn time here in New England. So quickly, before we head to the sneaker store and hang out with the guys, tomorrow is Mother's Day. Well, depending on when you watch this vlog. And you know me, I had to take care of my mom, so I just really wanted to show you what I got her. So, pair of Yeezy 700s for Ma. You know how I do it. I got her the new analogs. So yeah, I picked up her the new analogs, size 7. Hopefully they fit. See you, buddy. Be a good boy.
Travis, fuck Nike, fuck the sneakers.
Alright guys, so you've been hitting me up all the time asking me where can I get legit Yeezys. So I put all the Yeezys here on the table. These are all for sale, and Yeezys don't last that long here in the store. I mean, they're always coming and going, and the prices do range because some come in our consignment and some are they buy here and they sell it, and some are brand new and some are used. So it all depends on the condition too as well. I'll put the link down below to their Instagram page, so just go give them a follow, or even just go check out their IG page. They're always posting, so whenever they get a Yeezy in, they post it on their page or even in their stories. You got the Belugas, some blue tints, butters. You got the OG Pirate Blacks. You got some Supermoon 500s, and you have utility blacks, and then you have brand new Yeezy 700 Salts, and then you have 2 brand new Geodes.
How much is it?
Together $36.75.
Oh, yeah,
mine's probably cost more. Well, she gave us both of the suits just because, like.
What the hell?
That's how.
It's like a mini spring rolls.
Yeah. Be dope.
This is like a lot though. Holy crap.
See, what'd you think, dude?
You got from Ming's
Sushi.
You got Ming's Sushi, and then what the hell is this? Fire. Fire. Alright, so we're going through the releases of the month. The Pandas, the Air Jordan 1 Pandas, they were women's, black and whites, copper drop. They already dropped and they hadn't even sold out. Drop? I say drop too. It's the Mars Yard overshoe, the one that looks like a space boot.
Yeah.
I think
like
it's
that
an auto cop for me.
Yes, I love that shoe. Honestly.
It's just so unique and it's so different.
That's what's dope about that.
And then if you cut it, it's a Mars Yard underneath too. But I would never cut it.
No?
No.
Why not?
Because I like the look of it. Now, obviously today, Travis Scott Jordan 1's obviously a cop.
Please don't even talk about those.
Cactus Plant Flea Market Vapor Maxes.
Those are the ones for me.
Yeah. They are nice. I like them. I personally like them, but they're women's exclusive and they don't make my size. They don't make my size.
If they're not women, I'm getting those.
Is the Fear Gods, the ones I have on, but they're all black. The Air Raids.
Yep. I like those.
I like my light bone better, but they're not bad. All right, and then the 25th is the Glow in the Dark Yeezys. Obviously, I did my review on that. If you haven't seen that, go see that now. I have a pair, so I like them, but
they're
I
pretty
like everything
cool.
Yeezy.
When I seen them that you had them on your feet, I was like, whoa.
All right, so look what just came through. Nike SB Dog Walkers. You know, I've been saying on the channel how much I want a pair. Size 10 though, not my size, thank God. The Dog Walkers come through. And then we have the Nike Off-White Prestos. All white, super clean. Look how small these are, I can fit in my hand. Alright guys, so that kind of wraps up today's video here at Shop U7. I appreciate you guys watching as always, and also I'll slide this in. I did end up copping the Travis Scott Jordan 1s. Thanks to my plug, Souls for Less, who hit me up later. And if you did enjoy the vlog, go ahead and smash the like button for me and subscribe to the channel. And like always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.